right, Daniel the Adjuster here, and here we are answering questions from the channel for you to learn how to be the best adjuster. So first question is from Bradley PGamer996. Thank you so much for sending in your message. He says, I'm in Texas. I'm a licensed and working through Adjuster Pro. I'm currently working towards obtaining my level 1 and level 2 Xactimate certifications. Any advice? It's looking like seeking out a W-2 staff adjuster position is where my starting point will be to get my feet wet in the industry. Also, are you aware of any IA firms that set up ride-alongs? Well, there's a bunch of questions here and I want to address them all. So in Texas, awesome place, certainly can find lots of work in Texas as a daily adjuster, not just as a W-2 adjuster. So keep that in mind. You're one of the hottest places to find work. And storms happen all the time. Definitely, I wish I was back in Texas. That's where I started, but I wish I was there because there was constant work. So as working through Adjuster Pro, I actually went through Adjuster Pro at the very beginning, but not for Xactimate. I just went through my North Carolina training and my Texas training courses, pre-licensing courses through them. So I have high regards for them. They've been doing the business for a long time. That was almost 14 years ago. So been a long time. So currently working towards your level 1 and level 2 certification, absolutely a must. Okay. And if you do not get the approved training or the acceptable training that you hope to have, I also offer that in my links in the description as well. I don't offer the certification, but I do offer the training that will get you everything you need in order to pass those tests. As far as any advice goes regarding a W-2 staff adjuster position, it depends on each person's situation. Everybody is different and everybody has a different level of what they can tolerate for work scenarios. So for instance, somebody who wants to steady paycheck definitely wants something more standardized, something that they never have to worry about, then a staff adjuster position might be the one for you. The problem that I see with most staff adjuster positions, and this is coming from people that I have met who do this position, is that your potential for raises are very limited. It's going to be no different than any standard job. You're going to compete against everybody else for those raises, and it's going to be hard to obtain raises. And typically those positions are looking for people that stay extremely long-term in a position and don't plan on leaving. So what I have seen from people is they have been in these positions very, very long time, 10 years, 15 years, and are maxing out their income. It's somewhere in that 70 to 80,000 K price point after about 15 years of putting in time. As an independent adjuster, you can easily make that in your first year if you put your mind to it and ground yourself in looking and seriously looking for work. So if money is an issue for you, totally think more of the independent side of things. But if a stability, staying at home, you got kids there, there's no way you can travel for catastrophe work. These are all things to think about carefully as you move through that process of deciding what you want to do. As far as the experience you'll receive, I think it's phenomenal to be in as a desk adjuster, learning policy stuff, being right there with trainers and teachers. They're going to make sure that you're learning from the best. And I think it's a great opportunity. You can also do this as an independent adjuster going in at any desk position for insurance in any carrier. They're going to have the same level of training. You can get that as well. Now, as far as getting your feet wet, I think it's a great opportunity to learn the ropes. But like I said, you can do it in both ways, independent or in a staff position. Now, as far as IA firms that offer ride-alongs, I have not heard of any. That doesn't mean that I am most knowledgeable in all the different firms and what they do. I know they offer different certification classes in amongst those firms, which then will potentially help you get work for that company. I did that when I was working back with Worley. Now it's Alacrity. But Worley offered an adjuster training program. Once I did that, then I definitely felt like they were putting my ability to work for them at a forefront more than somebody just calling in and saying, I want to work for you. So keep that in mind because I think that would help in the long run. Thank you so much for the question. I really appreciate it. And just remember, This is Daniel the Adjuster, helping you become the best adjuster.